Welcome to the International Space Training Center. You're here today to train for the greatest adventure in the history of mankind, space exploration. I know you're probably feeling a little nervous right now. Don't worry. Every astronaut has felt that way at one time or another. Even the heroes who went to the moon. But there is one thing they had that you don't have yet. Training. You're here today for flight training, the most thrilling experience that any astronaut candidate will ever have. Before you decide if it's right for you, let me introduce you to your spacecraft. The X-2 Space Shuttle. It's powered by solid hydrogen and can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. So when you hear the words "go for launch," you'll definitely want to hang on. Now you've already been organized into teams, and soon each of you will be assigned a position. Navigator, pilot, commander, or engineer. The success of your mission will depend on all of you working together as a team. I'll be your Capcom, and in a few minutes I'll give you your specific assignments. But first, our flight director has some safety instructions for you. Lieutenant?
Remember the team number you're standing on. When the doors in front of you open, you will be directed to a flight station with that number on it. When you get there, please stand on the circles. During your Orange Team More Intense training mission, you will be enclosed inside X-2 flight simulators that produce deep space flying conditions such as turbulence and G-forces. Those who are prone to motion sickness or made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces, simulators, or spinning should bypass this experience.
As you can see, astronaut flight training isn't like anything you've ever experienced before. It is intense. And if you would like to opt out, just ask any member of the ISTC crew for directions. As for the rest of you, looking for your pre-flight briefing.
I mean, we shouldn't have went to France.
It's go time.
Shouldn't have went to France.
You might go to Broken. Welcome, flight crew. I'm gonna have team number 6.
Mission control, this is the firing eagle. Give us the go and go for launch. Eagle. Go. Surgeon. Network. Cobalt, you are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Mission control, the tower is clear. They're all yours. Mission control to Mars X2. You are go at throttle up. Commander, initiate first stage separation. Now. Computer override initiated. 0G confirmed. You're looking good, team. Pilot, engage second stage rocket. Now. Computer override engaged. Leaving Earth orbit. Velocity 15,000. 16,000. You should have visual of the space station now, and you are on course for your slingshot around the moon. Navigator, fire rocket for lunar orbit insertion. Now. Sight, isn't it? Something to dream about on the way to Mars. Engineer, activate hypersleep. Now. Activated. Hypersleep duration 3 months. Monitoring mode. Rise and shine. Let's go, team. We've got a problem. Beginning evasive maneuvers. This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing site. Proximity alert. Pilot, deploy the shield. Now. Shield deployed. Alert. Location, Canyon Edge. Don't move a muscle. Good work, team. You made it to the landing site. Welcome to Mars. And welcome to the Astronaut Corps.
Okay. Heads back. Releasing restraints. Now push the restraint.
No,